Pocket, let it be.
Hello, so in this video I'm going to reviewing these new Air Force Ones that I got from Zalando. So if you want to see how they look like, then keep on watching, and of course don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos, and thanks for watching. So yeah, here is my purchase from Zalando. Zalando is my go-to place when it comes to like online shopping. It has a very easy process, and also it's very easy to return the items. So when I need some good clothing or shoes, I always go to Zalando. Yeah, let's see what is inside. I also got some other things with the shoe. So here is the new Air Force One what I got. So as I said before in the previous videos, I am not really into like black sneakers, and most of my shoes are white or like maybe black and white. But as you can see, I like wearing like black clothing, but when it comes to like sneakers, I always prefer the white color. And yeah, I also forget to say that I do not wear like boots. I always wear like sneakers like all season, like in winter time, summertime. But today I got something very special. So the shoe what I got today is the Nike Air Force One High Utility 2.0 in the black / summit white and orange colorway, in the UK size 2.5, which is a 35.5. So these trainers comes in this basic matte black colored box with the silver logo. So yeah, now let's open and let's see what is inside. Yeah, it's got a very nice paper. So now let's see. Right now I really like them. It looks very unique. So the reason why I got this shoe, because I am really into like utility style clothing and everything which is utility. I really like it, and I think this is the reason why I got these, because it has a utility style, and I really like the details on this shoe, especially this strap design on the top. I think it looks very cool with this nice buckle on the side. And also I really like this design. It's got a nice orange cross stitch on the back. I think the black color is really suits with this style, so that's why I do not mind if this is like black color. And this shoe comes in other colors as well, like in white, and it also has in the beigey pinky color, but I think in this color it looks way better in my opinion. So I really like this strap design. I think they looks very edgy, and it just gives a little bit like aggressive look to the shoe. The other thing what I like is this pull tab. This one is actually very useful. I really love when the shoe came with this pull tab. So here is the both shoe. I think it looks very nice right now, but I don't know how they look like on feet. And on the front it's got Air Force One logo, but this is in this leather material, and the leather is very nice quality, as you can see. It's very soft, and it's got a very unique sole design. It's not a usual Air Force One sole, and in this nice brown color. And definitely the midsole looks different on these. It's got a more thicker midsole, around the shoe, and it's also got this big Air logo on the side. Definitely they are more heavier than the regular Air Force ones. So these trainers are women's Air Force ones, and they are designed for winter time, so that's why they got these boot style, as you can see. And I got these for 130 euro from Zalando. But right now I would say I am really into this shoe, but I am still not sure. So let's try them on and let's see how they look like on feet. And then I decide if I keep these or not. I would definitely style them with these with some cargo jeans or with some nice utility styled joggers or something like this. But please let me know what do you think about these new Air Force ones. Now let's see how they look like on feet, and of course I will going to show you some outfits with the shoe, some winter option of course, and I will let you know if I keep these or not.
Pocket, let it be.
So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and of course let me know what do you think about these new Air Force Ones. If you have any question about these shoes or anything else, then please leave a comment, and yeah, like and subscribe for more videos. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next time. Bye.